Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Faith, Food and Fitness. Today we're going to learn how to fry an egg. So get your pan out, get your eggs, let's get going. Heat up your pan with a bit of olive oil. Get it nice and hot till that oil is moving fluidly. Crack an egg or two in the pan. Just give it a bit of a movement, make sure it's loose. Get a sizzle going. Spoon some of that hot oil over the top of the yolk to get the cooking from the top and to the bottom. Season with some fresh cracked pepper. Get yourself a nice hot piece of buttered toast. Put your eggs on top and just go in. Enjoy. Gobble it up. It's nothing better than starting a day with a fried egg on toast. So then, go for it. Clean up your plate. Make sure you got all the scraps. What an excellent way to start your day. Thanks guys for joining me for this quick video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click on the link below to other videos on this channel. Cheers guys.